I love the smell of new leather. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge, absolutely massive Dior haul. My excuse is that my birthday is coming up, so I'm just going to combine it for what I got for my birthday. It will be an unboxing video. I'll show you all the lovely products that I've been picking up. This is literally just a few. Guys, if you see what's behind me, like packages upon packages upon packages. You guys know that I am an absolute fan of Dior. I love the fact that the head designer Maria is a woman. She's an advocate for women empowerment. It's a brand that I believe in. So I'm so excited to be doing this huge Dior haul. So before we get into this video, as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss my videos. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. And lastly, if you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. If you like luxury hauls, let me know and I will just continue to do them. Without further ado, let's just get into this absolutely huge Dior unboxing. Okay guys, so what to pick first? I'm spoilt for choice. Yeah, let me go for a big one. A lot of these products I order from dior.com. I just find it easier. Going into stores sometimes, honestly, I can't lie to you, I just don't have the time, so I just order stuff and it comes directly to my house. Their packaging has improved immensely. I just want to try and open it with you guys. Woo! Isn't that gorgeous? In here, everything's been packaged up really nicely. This is the box. As well as that, at the bottom of the box, they also give a lovely bag. This is like a hard metal, and then obviously you have the embossed Dior. Overall packaging is 10 out of 10. Open what's in here. Oh, how cute. Usually I just write a note to myself. This one says, "You are loved, you are cherished, you are beautiful." They've done the bow so nicely. So let's just open it together, shall we? Ooh. I love opening packages. Am I the only one? Okay, so even the tissue paper has Dior on it. Let's just open this up. Ooh. Can you guys guess what they are? The authenticity card is here, by the way. This is the authenticity card. And I love how they always wrap the bottom. Here we have, these are literally my first pair of Dior shoes. These slides, literally, I bought the last pair online. They were sold out everywhere, worldwide. You guys who have been watching for me for a while know that I'm obsessed with this kind of oblique style print. So I have the scarf and I also have the tote bag. But let me just show you guys up close. So cute, look. So it has the Christian Dior Paris, then obviously in gold, the bottom embossed. I got mine in a size 41. So usually with slippers, it doesn't matter if they're designer, if they're high street, I always go up one full size, and they fit me perfectly. These were about £490. This is just like a canvas material, which I think can be easily washed. They smell nice. I love the smell of new leather. But yeah, anyway, I think these are just super cool, and they blend in quite nicely with my skin tone as well. I'm going on holiday literally tomorrow, so I will be wearing these constantly. So if you want to see what they look like, just head over to my Instagram. That's @FashionPlayground. One thing I like about Dior is their ability to make matching products. I love matching shoes, matching bags. It just makes life a lot easier. So this is literally going to be my beach staple for the whole summer period. This is my beach bag, travel bag, and these are my beach slippers. Boom. Such a gorgeous combination. Look, how cute is that? Absolutely stunning. Okay guys, so next product. Now you guys know I spend my money wisely. I don't like to spend frivolously. I save money where I can. The best way to save money when it comes to buying designer goods is the secondhand market. I absolutely love vintage stuff. Like, you guys know that already. Usually I would say Vestiaire would be my #1, but #2 would also be eBay. On eBay there are a few trusted sellers, especially sellers from Japan. They're really good, and their prices tend to be quite good as well. The only thing is obviously the import taxes. What I got from a seller in Japan is this gorgeous Christian Dior oblique scarf. So you guys that watched my summer haul. I actually have this in navy blue. I have this same scarf in navy blue, but I decided to purchase it in the burgundy color. Of course, it goes with my tote, it goes with my slippers. It's quite large. I think it's like 90 by 90 centimeters. And then it has this lovely Christian Dior. I just love the whole matching thing. The way I usually use this, take the full scarf and split it into half, into a triangular form. Then you can either use it as a scarf, or I have this beautiful straw hat here, as you can see. I've tied this scarf into a triangle. Now I'm just going to fold it down. So can you see I'm just folding it down, all the way down. And then I'm going to take this hat and I'm going to tie this scarf like so. And this is going to be my summer hat for the season. It looks like a Dior hat, but it's not. This hat I must have got for like £3 at a vintage store. And the scarf, I think it was like £90 or something like that. It's very unique, so nobody else has it, which is always a plus. So can you see, obviously you have the Dior oblique print, which is absolutely gorgeous. I really, really like that. And then the idea is that the back, there's also some little ties at the back, but I think this is so, so cute. I'm going to be wearing this hat with my beach bag and my slippers. How cute, oh my gosh. I think it's broken up enough to not look tacky. So with the bag on the side like this, and the slippers are quite discreet, so it's just that perfect blend of monogram without looking OTT, if that makes sense. Let me know what you guys think. This is just a little DIY hack for under £100. Right, guys, next item. This is another purchase, once again from dior.com. As you can see, it has the same packaging arrangement. Here we have just the notes I wrote. This month will be amazing. Love you always. XX. You open up the box. Here, beautiful item inside. Can you guys guess what it is? If you guys can see, okay? So can you see the embossed Dior? The Dior sticker, very cute. Here, we have the gorgeous Dior oblique belt. How cute is that? Oh, and there's a gorgeous dust bag for the belt as well, which is a lovely addition. Quickly show you the dust bag. Very, very cute. This is in a size 90 in the oblique print, which is blue. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. This was £490. Let me just quickly show you guys. So literally all you do, put this to the back and attach it to your size. This belt is so cute, and the hardware is rustic. It's not like a sharp gold, it's more like a rustic gold, so it's a bit more understated. I actually got this to wear with my bag. This is just what the belt and the bag look like together. Just think it was a very cute matching set. So when I was in Paris, I went to this vintage store where they sold like designer things, and this man was telling me how they had this oblique print in the 40s. It was like a really, really big thing. This whole monogram thing, for me personally, is going to be a staple in my wardrobe, so I don't really mind investing heavily into it. Ooh. Okay guys, next item is yet again another vintage item. It's from, as you can see, Vestiaire Collective. It comes in this lovely reusable bag. Here we have these absolutely gorgeous vintage Dior slippers. How cute are these? When I saw these, I fell in love with them. They're like very comfortable short mules with this oblique print in pink. They've never been worn before, you can see, and I got them in a 41.5. I love this whole Dior print on the front, embellished, almost coin-like design. These are amazing. We have the authentication from Vestiaire so that you know it's real. I literally got these for about £180. I'm not even joking. With jeans, with dresses, everything and anything these will go with. These do run small. These are 41.5, but they fit me and I'm a size 40, so yeah, I don't know what happened with the sizing back in the day. But alright guys, I think I'm gonna move on to a bit of Dior. I actually went into the Dior home in Harrods. The new men's section is really good, by the way, absolutely amazing. I just went to pick up a few stuff for my boyfriend slash fiance. First item is this gorgeous Christian Dior t-shirt. So it has the Christian Dior Atelier, and then it has the Dior address in Paris. Absolutely gorgeous. And then at the back we have Christian Dior Atelier again at the back. I got this in a size medium. This t-shirt was $3.70, which I don't think is bad at all. It's like really good material. Honestly guys, I want to keep this for myself. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love this. I'll link everything that I can down below, but this is just the perfect, I would say, staple summer t-shirt. So yeah, my boyfriend will literally be wearing this throughout summer. I can't even lie to you guys, I've tried this on, it looks so good on me. So I think I'm gonna have to like share it with him. Does anyone else do that? Like share their man's clothes. Next item again from Dior is this amazing. So this is actually a part of the new Kim Jones collection, but it's not online. I only saw it in Harrods, so I'm not sure if it's an Harrods exclusive. Let me show you it first. So here is the, it's just a plain shirt, but look at that. The new Dior logo embossed in like a silver. It looks so expensive. I got this in a size, my boyfriend is a chest size 39, so that's a medium in Dior. It's literally just a plain white shirt, but this looks so expensive. The collar is also quite solid. This shirt was like $5.40, something like that. I also had the idea of buying one of these shirts in a very oversized size and wearing it for myself, so it would look like this. The idea was that my boyfriend could wear it with black trousers, designer shoes, and he'll automatically look smart. Just sharp, smart, classy. That's what I tend to go for when I'm shopping for him. So yeah, love this. So this I actually ordered online again, but I just took it out from the packaging so you can see what it looks like in the bag. Once again, it has this gorgeous embossed Dior, and then this heavy solid Dior crystal. This would be really cute on a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute during Christmas time on a tree. I think I'm totally gonna do that. Here we have another lovely wrapped pack. I've actually opened this one. I opened it on Instagram on my stories. You guys really need to follow me if you want to see these things like straight away. Anyway, so I've clearly already opened it, but let me just take it out with you guys. Right. Here we have the Christian Dior boob tube. Guys, I remember when I saw this online, because I usually check the Christian Dior new in. They usually have new in things quite often, and I saw this, like, I ordered it straight away. This bra and pant set, they used to only sell it when you bought a dress from them. So you would have to buy the dress and then you could buy this, but you could not buy this separately. But now online, they are selling this in white and in black separately. I had to snap this up. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? This is gonna be my staple crop top for this summer. Like, I'm so excited to be wearing this. Even during winter, I could wear this like under something that's sheer. Like, the material is like so good. It has like some embossed under boob, and then it has the Christian Dior Dior on the back. So you can see Christian Dior, and then by the time you turn it around, you'll be able to see Dior Dior. I think this is so cute. I bought this in a size large just because I didn't want to take any chances. The large is a bit loose, but it's fine. I usually just like to size up in designer clothes, and this was about £630, which is kind of expensive for a boob tube, but I mean, if you can get your cost per wear out of it, you'll be fine. And I think, once again, this is a very classic piece. Something like this has been around for years, so many years. So the key to everything I'm buying there in my wardrobe would work as classic staple pieces. So my money will not go to waste. I will continue to wear them over and over and over again. And the good thing about Dior is I feel like their items keep their value. Dior, Chanel, and Hermes are the three brands that I think the value of their items really hold. Alright guys, that is the end of my huge Dior haul and unboxing. Remember, this is only part 1. Part 2 will be coming straight after this video, so make sure you've subscribed, click the like button if you like this video, also turn on your bell notifications so you know when the next video is coming out. Let me know what your favorite item was. I think my favorite item so far has probably been the Dior crop top, I would say. Make sure you stay tuned. Once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.